You're working hard in your business. You are exhausted and you still don't feel like you're making a step in the right direction. Well, don't give up. Running a business is a marathon, not a sprint. It really helps us to think about all of the different hats that we wear as a Pilates business owner. You might be the receptionist. You are the sales and marketing executive. You are the content creator for all of your marketing and your sales strategies. You are managing your money. You are doing your bookkeeping. You're setting up the systems in your business. You've got your social media accounts to run. At the same time, you have to look after your clients. You've got to be a leader for your team. You have to manage your team. Oh my goodness, it all sounds like it's in the too hard basket. But you know what? It really isn't. As frustrating as running a business can be, and as much as you feel like you're not making a step forward, it could just be that you don't have the right systems in place with which to take consistent action. And if you can put those things in place, what will happen is that you'll have more time to do the things that you really love, which is teaching people how to do Pilates, and you will have a more efficient way of running your business. So I'd like to ask you to cut yourself some slack. You are on the right track. There is a lot to learn about running a business. It's like doing your Pilates certification all over again. It's one thing to know how to teach, but you have to apply all of those same principles to the way that you run your business. You have to nurture it, you have to grow it, and you have to have the right structure in place in order for it not to overwhelm your life. You are going to need a lot of grit and endurance, just the same as you do for a Pilates class. Just don't give up. Guaranteed that minute that you decide to give up is the time where everything is going to fall into place. All those pieces are going to fit together. You just have to keep working at it. And sometimes it takes a long time. Now, if you're still feeling frustrated and you're going, yes, it's all good and well, but I don't know how to, then I can help you with that. To get you started, I have a Pilatespreneur starter kit. And for this, I can help you to simplify some of the ideas around your business. I can help you to be consistent and committed so that you can actually take more steps towards making your dreams a reality. I can help you banish imposter syndrome, because that's often one of the biggest things in our lack of confidence that stopped us from taking the steps that we need to take to reach our goals and to have the type of Pilates business that we really want. And then lastly, I'm going to teach you how to be flexible and how to just get stuff done, how to not be so perfect all the time, but to prioritize progress over perfection. So drop down on the link below and join up for my Pilatespreneur free starter kit and to see how I can help you.